Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use Apple CarPlay. And today I'm at First State Chevrolet in Georgetown, Delaware on South DuPont Highway. So this Apple CarPlay is a great feature that is available on most GM vehicles now. I'm in a 2018 Chevy Traverse. So I'm going to show you the display, how it works, and go through a little bit of everything. So you can see I got this iPhone 7 right here connected up to USB. So basically what it does, it displays all information on the phone and brings it right up here to the center console. So this is a really convenient feature. It's very usable. There's a lot of different buttons on here that are right on the iPhone as well. So you have your phone, so you can click right here. Go to your phone list, it'll show you all your contacts. And then you can also hit the home button as well. So we got recent, contacts, keypad, voicemail, and we can all do this by hands-free voice calling. If I click here to center again, it goes right back. So that's the center button, it goes right back to main display. We have music, maps, your messages on your phone, what's playing right now, and other apps such as music. We got Pandora and Spotify right here. And the cool thing about messages too is you can click it, and then you can do a voice message, so it'll let you know what message you want to do.
Read your messages or compose a new one?
So you can do that, which is really great. And you can go up to your contacts and what messages you have available. And then you can go to music, so you have your Apple Music. You can go back. The best thing I think about this for sure is the fact that you can play your music like Spotify, and then you can go right in here. Go to your maps, so you got your GPS destination, whatever you want to do, you can type in, and you can see you have destination times, and it's the same display as the iPhone for normal, so it's really great, really easy to use, and it's very fast. Another great thing about the Apple CarPlay is if, say you're parked like I am right now, I can actually access my phone right here, and then go to my phone, so I click that, phone pops up. Same thing on here, phone pops up as well. Or if I want to go to contacts, it'll do that too. I can go back out again, go to messages, messages pop up. Or I can go to Safari. Now that won't pop up on here, but most of the basic features on here will pop up right on the center of your vehicle. Also up on the Apple CarPlay display, you can swipe left to right for any of your apps. I'm going to go here real quick and click on Spotify for you. Then we can see what's recently played, and this is basically a whole menu of anything on Spotify that we want to play. Daily mixes, browse, we can hit the radio, and My Library. If you have Spotify Premium, you can go to your downloaded songs as well. The best part about the Apple CarPlay is ease of use. So like I was in the Spotify app before, if I want to play country music per se and I'm driving, all you gotta do is click on it real quick. And there you go, pops right up. You got your display, what song's going on. You got Justin Moore here. And it just plays. And you can shuffle too if you want. Just really awesome. Really easy to use and simple. One more great feature on this is the maps. If you go into detail with the maps, you can click on destinations right here. And then it'll go display your marked locations where you've been a lot, different places. You can go to gas stations, for example. It'll show you the closest gas stations, parking that's available, restaurants, we got coffee shops, grocery store. All the same displays that were on the iPhone before come right up here on the Apple CarPlay. And you can also use voice activation up here in the right corner. So it's really simple, really easy to use, and very convenient too. So that's it on the short overview tutorial of how to use the Apple CarPlay that's available on GM vehicles. Come stop by First State Chevrolet in Georgetown, Delaware, where we put you, the customer, first.